Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about how to sell on Instagram with Instagram shopping. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what is Instagram shopping. Instagram shopping is a feature that allows e-commerce brands to create a digital, shareable catalog of their products right on Instagram. Users can learn more about products right in the app and either purchase directly on Instagram with checkout or click through to finish the transaction on the brand's e-commerce site. Next, how to get approved for Instagram shopping. Before you can set up Instagram shopping, you need to ensure your business checks a few boxes for eligibility. 1. Your business is located in a supported market where Instagram shopping is available. 2. You sell a physical or eligible product. 3. Your business complies with Instagram's merchant agreement and commerce policies. 4. Your business owns your e-commerce website. And lastly, you have a business profile on Instagram. If your account is set up as a personal profile, don't worry. It's easy to change your settings to business. Next, how to set up Instagram shopping. Brief steps on how to set up Instagram shopping. Step 1. Convert to a business or creator account. Step 2. Use Commerce Manager to set up a shop. Step 3. Connect to a Facebook page. Step 4. Upload your product catalog. Step 5. Submit your account for review. And Step 6. Turn on Instagram shopping. Sharing products or promoting sales on Instagram is nothing new. According to Instagram, 87% of users say influencers have inspired them to make a purchase, and 70% of avid shoppers turn to the platform to discover new products. So it is a great idea to sell your products on Instagram with Instagram shopping. But before you do that, here's 5 tips for selling more products with Instagram shopping. Number 1. Use striking visuals. Instagram is a visual medium, so your products better be looking good out there in the grid. Prioritize high-quality photos and videos to keep your wares looking professional and appealing. Number 2. Add hashtags. Using relevant Instagram hashtags is a smart strategy for all posts, including shopping content. They'll increase the likelihood that you'll be discovered by someone new, opening up a whole new opportunity for potential engagement. Number 3. Share a sale or promotional code. Everyone loves a good deal, and running a promotional campaign is a surefire way to drive sales. When you promote the code directly in your shoppable Instagram posts, it's even easier for customers to act. Moving on to number 4. Show your product in action. The most popular type of video content on Instagram is the tutorial or how-to video, and this format is ideal for shopping posts because it offers viewers product education and proof of concept. Number 5. Be authentic. The principles of social media engagement all apply to product posts too, and that includes the golden rule of authenticity. In conclusion, shopping on Instagram is only going to grow in popularity, and it's just a matter of time until features like Instagram checkout is global. So there's no time like the present to dive in and find out how much it can benefit your business as part of your overall social media strategy. So let the digital shopping sprees begin. And that is it for today's video, how to sell on Instagram with Instagram shopping. Please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on the notification bell so you will be updated on our next video. And before this video ends,
did you know that you can create your own high-converting e-com store in just a few clicks and sell anything, anywhere? Yes, it is possible by using ShopFunnels by Technic Force. Start your e-com store in just 10 minutes. With ShopFunnels, you can create an e-com store for any niche you want. It's so simple and powerful, you'll never go back to anything else. Create e-com stores easily, and it has powerful no-code design, simple product creation, customizable product page, create landing pages, has easy product and inventory management, and informative analytics. You can do A/B testing, and has lots of integrations. It's also GDPR compatible. You don't have to pay hundreds of dollars a month for overpriced e-com builders that reduces your profitability at every step. ShopFunnels is all you need to set up your dream e-com store. So go ahead and try it out. Just visit getshopfunnels.in. ShopFunnels, the most powerful e-com store builder. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.